Welcome to our Farm Documentaries channel. Today, we explore a story of transformation, turning waste into wealth. Across the countryside, after every maize harvest, fields are left covered with dry stalks, the golden remains of a successful season. For many farmers, these stalks are considered waste, burned, left to rot, or cleared away. But what if this so-called waste could actually become wealth? A valuable, nutritious source of animal feed? Stay with us as we uncover how dry maize stalks can feed livestock, cut feed costs, and promote sustainable farming. In many farming communities, the dry season brings a familiar challenge. Pastures dry up, green fodder disappears, feed prices rise sharply. Farmers struggle to find enough feed for their animals. Yet right there, in their own fields, lies an untapped solution. Dry maize stalks, an abundant, low-cost feed source that's often overlooked. Maize stalks, also known as maize stover, are more valuable than they appear. They contain carbohydrates, fiber, and essential minerals that livestock need for energy and digestion. While they may be low in protein, they can form an excellent base for feed when supplemented correctly. Agricultural experts say maize stover can supply up to 40% of livestock feed requirements in mixed farming systems. That's a resource too valuable to waste. The process begins right after harvest. Once the maize cobs are removed, collect the stalks quickly before they get too dry or trampled. Cut the stalks close to the ground and bundle them neatly for easy transport. Avoid leaving them in the field for too long because rainfall or strong sunlight can reduce their nutritional quality. Some farmers prefer chopping the stalks directly in the field using simple cutters or choppers. This makes storage and later feeding much easier. Dry maize stalks are fibrous and hard. Animals may nibble on them, but they won't eat enough to get full nutrition. That's why processing is important. Chop the stalks into small pieces, about 2 to 4 centimeters long. You can use a chaff cutter, a forage chopper, or even a machete if you're working on a small scale. Chopping increases intake, reduces wastage, and allows you to mix the stalks with other feeds more effectively. Now, let's talk about improving the feed quality dry maize. Stalks on their own are good, but they can be made great. One popular method is urea treatment. Here's how it works. Mix 4 kilograms of urea with 100 liters of water. Sprinkle the mixture evenly over 100 kilograms of chopped maize stalks. Pack the treated stalks tightly into airtight drums, bags, or silage pits. Seal them completely and let them ferment for about 3 weeks. After that, you'll have soft, sweet smelling, high protein feed that livestock love. Alternatively, you can use molasses treat. Mix molasses with water in a 1:2 ratio. Spray it over the chopped stalks while mixing thoroughly. This adds energy, improves taste, and encourages animals to eat more. Both methods turn plain dry stalks into nutritious, palatable feed. Proper storage keeps your feed safe and fresh. After chopping and drying the stalks under shade, store them in a cool, dry place. Use tarpaulins or simple roofs to protect them from rain. Always keep the stalks off the ground by stacking them on wooden pallets or raised platforms. This prevents mold and rotting. If you want long-term preservation, make silage. Pack the chopped stalks tightly into airtight pits or plastic drums. Silage locks in nutrients and can be stored for many months without spoiling. When feeding your animals, start gradually. Introduce maize stalk feed slowly and mix it with other feeds like maize, bran, cottonseed cake, or legume hay. This balanced combination provides both energy and protein. Farmers who use treated maize stalks report improved weight gain, better body condition, and higher milk yields in dairy cows. And the best part, they save up to 30% on feed costs during the dry season. A simple practice that truly turns waste into wealth. Across Africa, more and more farmers are discovering the benefits of maize stalk feeding. One farmer shared, "Before I used to burn my maize stalks. Now I use them to feed my cows and they've never looked healthier." Another farmer said, "Adding molasses to my maize stalks made my goats eat more and gain weight faster." These real stories prove that simple low-cost innovations can make a big difference in livestock farming. Using dry maize stalks isn't just about saving money, it's also about saving the environment. When farmers recycle stalks instead of burning them, they reduce air pollution and keep the soil fertile. It's a win-win solution. Good for the animals, good for the land, and good for the farmer's pocket. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Step 1. Harvest and collect your maize stalks early. Step 2. Chop or shred them into small pieces. Step 3. Improve nutrition using urea or molasses treatment. Step 4. Store them properly in dry, airtight conditions. Step 5. Feed strategically, mixing with protein-rich supplements by following these steps. You can transform your maize stalks into valuable, nutritious animal feed at very little cost. The story of dry maize stalks is a story of transformation from waste to wealth, From neglect to nourishment. Every maize stalk in your field is an opportunity. An opportunity to feed your animals, to save money, and to farm more sustainably. So, next time you harvest, don't burn your maize stalks. Collect them, process them, and let them work for you, because on a smart farm, nothing goes to waste. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this documentary and want to learn more about sustainable farming, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep farming smart and keep turning waste into wealth.